Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear screen time on a Mac. Make sure we can't recover screen time data once deleted. By doing this process, we can clear all screen time data till now. So, let's jump into steps to clear now. Go to the Apple menu at the top left corner of your Mac. Then, select the system setting. Now, select screen time option from left sidebar. Now, click on App and Website Activity under the Activity section. From here, you can check your screen time data based on daily and weekly usage of apps and websites. To clear this, go back and scroll down for the App and Website Activity option. Then, turn off the toggle beside App and Website Activity. You will see a pop-up that asks you to confirm and turn off App and Website Activity. Doing this will turn off real-time reporting, downtime, app limits, and always allow. Then, you need to enter your Mac screen time passcode. If you forget, click on the top iCard in video description to watch the full video. Confirm the turn off option. Now, check app and website activity data and is clear now. Your job is done. If data is not deleted, wait 5 to 10 seconds, force quit the system settings, and then turn it on again. From top menu screen time system settings and select quit system settings. And check again. Open system settings and select screen time. Then click on app and website activity. All data must be clear. If not, then try after some time. If you have enabled family sharing and want to delete your family screen time data, go to the Apple menu and open the system settings. Then select the screen time option from the sidebar. You can select a family member by selecting member on the pop-up menu at the top. After that, turn off the toggle beside app and website activity. Then, confirm the turn off option, and your family screen time data will be deleted. If you want to start screen time, then go back and click app and website activity under the limit usage section to turn it back on. Then, click on turn on app and website activity. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.